Hello everyone and welcome to Lala Gallery of Crypto Art West. So here you see, what is this? Well, come on in. I'll show you a new part of the gallery that I just sort of did and made. It's called the Human AI Collaboration Eponym. So this is a new art sort of minting project that came out, and these are unique pieces which were minted in early October 2021 by a human, inserting a text into a field, which was me in this case, and curating the art that the AI thereafter produced. One is Fortune, which is this one. One is the Bitcoin Unicode, B, and decentral. And all of these are, of course, crypto-relevant terms. So let's come right in and look at this one. This is Fortune. So what I really thought when I saw this is that I just put in Fortune and was like, what is the AI gonna come up with? And this was the first thing that came up. And I was like, this is so interesting. Because here you see a woman, right? And there's something coming out of her face, on the side of her face, and where usually you would maybe imagine there to be her ear, there's another face coming out, and it's sort of screaming almost. So here she's like, oh, and on the side there's this face coming out, and it's just so interesting to me. And on I don't know if this is a table or what it is, it's just so interesting. And so it's so many things together, parts of roses, or maybe there's a little parrot over there in the red. There's so much richness to this fortune picture that I cannot even put my head around that the AI created this based on this one little word. It is amazing. It is seriously amazing. And if you look here, this is decentral. So decentral, if you think, for example, of a station, you have the central station. So this would maybe be sort of a decentral station or something. But decentralized is one of the major terms when it comes to crypto. And what we think about is this really peer-to-peer system. But some of the decentral platforms are not decentral at all. And then you see these whales, and they're coming out out of this blue, out of the ocean, and the ocean is everywhere. And then you have sort of all these pillars. There's so many layers. There's so much richness even to this picture. It is amazing that the AI created this, and so I'm really curious to hear more from the creators later of how all of this even came to be and what it means. So here you see, I think this bit to me is amazing. Because when I first learned about Bitcoin, I of course learned about the Yap Island, right? So the Yap Island is an island where basically the people who live there, they didn't really have a monetary system like the one that we have, of course. They're indigenous people living on an island, but what they did is that they basically had this monetary system based on stones on this Yap Island. And these are called the Yap stones, and they look sort of like that. They're not orange, but they are, this sort of reminded me of this, and it is one of the things that you learn when you go deeper into Bitcoin about this Yap Island. And of course there's also this eye, this these layers, and sort of going inside of a hole, the rabbit hole, and also this part here, which is looks like a little bit like gold, digital gold. And then you have this little part here, which is it a tear or what is it? Is it the old world that is crying that there's a new world, or is this something else? And is this our world basically, or is this the blue planet that is basically being absorbed by this new energy force? And you have this also the complementary color to orange is blue. So it really fascinates me that the AI came up with this specific image, the Bitcoin Unicode. This is so amazing that I cannot even begin to understand what all of this actually means. But you see little coins, Bitcoins, and is this fire? What is this? It's so amazing. So I'm really a big fan of this platform and this creation. So here you see my little gallery, this little part of it, and I hope you enjoy it. You can come visit me anytime if you have any questions, or if you'd like to be part of a bigger collaboration or gallery tour, just let me know. I'm really open to your suggestions. Hope you had a good time. Hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.